Syntegon is a market-leading international company that produces processing and packaging technology for the food and pharmaceutical industries around the world. With more than 160 years of experience, Syntegon is represented in almost 20 countries today. One of them is Denmark, with an 8,000 square meter manufacturing facility, including administration in Sandved. Here we focus on developing, designing and producing automated machines for the assembly and packaging of pharmaceutical products. In Denmark, more than 120 colleagues work in a family-like atmosphere. Everyone contributes to Syntegon's continued positive development and fosters their own. No matter whether your background is academic or technical, we take your ideas and ambitions seriously. Of course, we at Syntegon know better than anyone that people are driving the technology of the future, not the other way round. We look forward to your application